So, I must have went through like a billion times trying to do an intro, so I'm just going to go ahead and do it natural. I was debating whether or not to stitch them all together and show ya, but it's just too comical. So, anyways, I'm trying to get a video out. It's for pumpkin pies because Thanksgiving is coming for one, and God, I'm really, really bad at my videos anymore lately. I don't know. Anyway, pumpkin pie. Let's go make it. Let's go. And so that's the chores today out there. Now I'm going to make pumpkin puree from my pumpkin and get that done and ready for Thanksgiving. So my day's never done. More later. Okay, so here we go. It calls for 4 cups of pumpkin puree. I took this, I baked my pumpkins and I scraped it out and I pureed it. And then we're going to add 1.5 cups of brown sugar. By the way, you can make your own brown sugar out of white sugar and add a little bit of molasses until it turns into brown sugar. Very easy. That's just a tip. Okay, we're going to add 4 eggs. This is from my chickens during the summer, and if you can tell, it's all looks like eggs to me, scrambled up. These are freeze-dried. I re-dehydrated them, and in they go. That's 4 eggs right there. I'm doing a batch of two pies, 2 8-inch pies. And then 1 teaspoon each, with the exception of cloves, of nutmeg. A little bit more cinnamon than normal, but because I do like it cinnamony. About 1.5 teaspoons. Ginger should all be one teaspoon, to your preference, obviously. And then for the cloves, I'm just going to do just a little bit like that. Just a little bit more than a pinch or a smidge. So yeah, just be like that. 1 teaspoon of salt. I usually take this off. This is pink Himalayan. Put that back on. And then give it a good mixing. And now, right now, my pie crust is in the pan. I just have to form it out. And I've got the other, this is enough for 2 pies, 2 8-inch pies. I got another one over there for another 2 I got enough for another 2 8-inch pies. So, more in a minute. And so it's just a matter of baking it. Let's check. There we go. 4. More when I'm done. Okay, I am done with these pumpkin pies, so do you want to take a look at them? Here we go. Here they are. Aren't they just beautiful? Done. And on to the next project.